flood emergency for across all frontage roads and numerous city streets near Highway 83. The National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a flash flood warning for West Central Cameron County in Deep South Texas, Southeastern Hidalgo County in Deep South Texas, until 1:00 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:04 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Emergency Management reported heavy rain across the warned area with numerous stranded vehicles and motorist rescues. Between 8 and 11 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. This is a flash flood emergency for across all frontage roads and numerous city streets near Highway 83. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source: Emergency Management. Impact: this is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Pharr, Harlingen, West Laco, San Juan, Alamo, Donna, Mercedes, Hidalgo, Progreso, South McAllen, Shore Island, South Alamo, AP. Solis Middle School, Scissors, Donna Public Library, Donna Police Department, Donna City Hall, North Alamo Elementary School, Donna High School, and Austin Middle School. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Please stay home and off flooded roadways. Move to higher ground now. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or under an evacuation order. Stay away or be swept away. River banks and culverts can become unstable and unsafe. The National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a tornado warning for South Central Hidalgo County in Deep South Texas until noon Central Daylight Time. At 11:24 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Santa Ana National Wildlife Refuge, or 7 miles west of Progreso, moving northwest at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar-indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Pharr, San Juan, Alamo, Donna, South McAllen, Rio Grande Regional Hospital, Edinburgh Regional Medical Center, Austin Middle School, Cesar Chavez and McAllen High School. This includes the following highways: Interstate Highway 69C between mile markers 1 and 6. US Highway 281 between mile markers 784 and 786, and between mile markers 794 and 802. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service office in Brownsville.